Hi, this is Dimitar. One of the biggest advantages when it comes to investing and living in Bulgaria are its real estate market and still great economic conditions that the banks offer to buy a property here. You don't believe me? Here are the latest news about two of the biggest real estate markets in the world. First, in the USA, has a 30-year fixed rate loans rose to 10 basis points to 7.41%. The new rise in the mortgage rate furthermore worsened the situation in the US housing market, which is already one of the most unaffordable in history. Despite the increased financing cost, however, house prices continue to rise amid a limited supply of homes for purchase. In Germany, construction and the real estate endeavors, which make up approximately 50% of the national value added, were once a robust economic anchor. However, they are now showing signs of struggle. During the initial 6 months of 2023, the new construction projects plummeted by 50%, and the issuance of building permits for the new residents declined by 25%. This troubling trend is the result of troubling combination of factors including increased finance expenses, rising construction costs, and tepid demand, and political uncertainties, all which have led to the project postponements and cancellations. Considering that the interest rates are expected to remain elevated for extended period of time due to inflation, and the situation may worsen before it starts to improve. However, housing loan interest rates in Bulgaria stubbornly resist the pattern seen in the Eurozone or the US, where there has been noticeable upward surge. The primary driver behind this anomaly is the fierce rivalry among commercial banks, coupled with the persistent growth of high deposit levels from the citizen. In the European Union, over the past few months, only Malta has more budget-friendly loans. In Bulgaria, however, the average price of apartment or house is still around 30% less than Malta, which means it has good room to grow in valuation. Before I give you some numbers to compare, you should know the term BNB, which is the Central Bank of Bulgaria. The main objective of the Bulgarian National Bank is to maintain the price stability by ensuring the stability of the national monetary units and conducting monetary policy in accordance with the requirements of the law. Back to the video. Here we will show you a comparison between interest rates in Bulgaria 2.6% and the Eurozone 3.6%. BNB data indicates that in June of this year, a substantial sum of 737 million lev has drawn for new housing loans. Excluding refinancing and negotiated loans, this amount stands at 563 million lev. This marks a remarkable 23% increase when compared to the same month for 2022, setting a record in recent Bulgarian history. Simultaneously, the data from the registration agency revealed that during the second quarter of this year, there were 12,848 newly registered contractual and legal mortgages. This represents a slight 3% decline in comparison to the same period in 2022 year, signaling that the banks are approving fewer but larger home loans. In Sofia, Varna, and Stara Zagora, the decline is smaller or equal to that in the previous quarter. In Plovdiv or Burgas, also Russe, it deepens. In Sofia, 55% of transactions are with mortgages. In the big cities, between 55% and 66%, and on average for the country, 22%. The average housing loan amount in the initial half of 2023 is surged to 180,000 BGN or LEF. In 2021, the typical mortgage loan size was 125,000 LEF, and it climbed to 170,000 LEF over the course of the year. However,